Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, October 11th. Well, I thought we'd take a quick look at the sun. It's been a little bit more active in recent days. In fact, there was a coronal mass ejection earlier this week that caused some northern lights all the way down into the northern tier of the country. We have had such a cloudy period here in the Mid-Atlantic region that we really haven't had any opportunity to look at northern lights over the last few nights. There are some interesting new sunspots appearing on the edge of the sun. They are rotating into view right now, and they are certainly areas of interest and could possibly cause some coronal mass ejections over the next several days. Here's the very latest image of the sun. Here's one particular area right now that's starting to rotate into view, and there's another area down here along the edge of the sun. Both of these are of interest as they are now rotating towards the center part, at least the viewpoint more directly facing the Earth. There are a couple other sunspots here that are rotating in this fashion as well, but these two areas right here are of concern and will have to be monitored over the next several days, as they seem to be active regions now rotating and will be more directly facing the Earth over the next several days. Another way to take a look at the active sunspots is to use what's called the Extreme UV Imaging Telescope, an EIT image. This is an example image, a current image called the EIT 284 image. Basically, this telescope takes pictures of the sun, images the solar atmosphere at several different wavelengths, and each wavelength has kind of a different look at showing solar material at different temperatures, and it's a good way to take a look at not only where sunspots are, but where the active sunspots are. And here is one we were looking at here that's now rotating into view, and here's another one right here. These are now passing by and moving away, but it's these couple of areas of interest right now that will be monitored over the next several days, as they are now in view and headed towards a region right here where they will be directly facing the Earth and could cause some coronal mass ejections that would affect the Earth's upper atmosphere. So we'll continue to monitor this over the next several days. For the SIweather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.